We on the left start with the right foot. Section 1. Forward, recover, side, recover, coaster, step, round the quarter right. Section 2. Cross, side, behind hitch, behind, side, forward hold. Section 3. Shuffle, forward hold, mambo quarter right, side, drag touch. Section 4. Left side mambo hold, right side mambo hold. Section 5. Forward, forward, forward hold, back, back quarter right, side rounding. Section 6. Cross side, back hold, recover side, back hold. Section 7. Recover, quarter left back, half turn left forward rounding. Right just box hold. Last section. Diagonal to the right, left rocking chair. Walk around 5, 8 left to 6 o'clock. Run, run, run hold. Start the dance from the top. Walk 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Wall 3, 32 count. Forward, recover, side, recover, coaster, step around the quarter right. Cross side, behind hitch, behind side, forward hold. Shuffle, forward hold, mambo quarter, right side, drag touch. Okay. Left side, mambo hold, right side, recover, touch hold. And restart the dance from the top.